Hey, guess what we just bought? Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free.
And we're Barry and Molly with Empty Hammock.
And we just bought this new house.
It's our next investment project.
It's going to be a group effort.
And we're going to take you along.
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Now obviously we need to start with the roof, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me give you some more of the details. Okay, so now we are doing this as a partnership with the four of us. We made an offer on it. It's been accepted. The closing has been set, but we haven't closed on it yet. That's going to happen in a couple weeks. So I don't have the key, so I can't show you the inside, and we can't start work on it yet for a few weeks. So as soon as we start work on it, of course, I'll be doing videos about it. So I can show you the outside, but we can't go inside yet. So the roof needs to be redone. When you go inside the front door there into the foyer, there's a spot in the ceiling where the ceiling's starting to come down because there's some kind of a leak right in there. So we're going to have to fix that leak, and then we're going to have to re-shingle the whole roof. And this, by the way, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with actually 4 garages. There's 3 here and there's 1 down below around the back, and I'll show it to you. So we have 3 garages here, and then there's a very steep paved driveway that goes down to the back. You can drive down there, but I definitely wouldn't want to have to do that every day. So there's the steep drive down, and then in the back here we have this one other garage door that's really more like a workshop in there with a garage door access to it. And then we have this deck all the way across the whole back. This entire deck needs to be removed and rebuilt because it's all rotten, and there's also a lot of stuff going on up here on the roof, rotten stuff up there, and it's actually destroying the deck and destroying the wall where the water's been splashing up from the deck. Right in there, there's a hole there, and from inside you can see daylight out through that. So we're going to have to fix the roof up there, all the leakage up there, and rebuild all of this and rebuild the whole deck. As you can see, that part is caved in right there. There's the other end of the house. This is a very beautiful backyard, very secluded and private, big trees, beautiful place to live. Though of course we won't be living here, we'll be renovating it and selling it. I would love to live in this house. This is beautiful. Or it will be after we finish. It would be a bit too much for me and Elizabeth though. We certainly don't need all of this room. I would love to have 4 garages, but what in the world would I do with them? So here's the front yard. So the main thing we have to do outside is the roof and all that rotten stuff in the back. We're probably going to do a lot more cosmetic stuff here in the front. We haven't really completely decided yet. Now I know that was a very short tour and I didn't give you a whole lot of information, but there really isn't a whole lot to see on the outside. As soon as we have closing in a couple weeks and we get the keys, then I can take you inside. There's a lot more renovation that we're going to be doing inside, and I can take you on a tour, a before tour, and show you what we're going to be doing. So is this an ambitious project? Yes. Would I do this by myself? Absolutely not. But since I'm doing it in partnership with my son, I think it's going to work. So in the meantime, I've got a couple weeks before I start this, so I'm going to be doing everything I can on our little addition to try to get that as finished as I can before I start work on this. Also, of course, Barry and Molly have a channel called Empty Hammock, and he videos and documents everything he does. If you're not subscribed to the Empty Hammock, go over and check it out, because he has a totally different video style than I do, and you'll be able to see this project from a totally different perspective as we both cover the renovation. I think you'll enjoy his channel. So I hope you are as excited as we are about this project, and like Elizabeth said earlier, we will definitely bring you along on everything that happens. So thanks for watching. You'll see the next update on this house in a couple of weeks after we can finally get it started. Live simple, live free. You be blessed.